Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping left its seats while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sounds of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone. Beneath the halo of a street lamp, I turn my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked
2층에도 뭐가 있어요?
10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing songs that voices never share. No one there disturbed the sound. Said you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms and I might reach you. But my words like silent raindrops fall and echo in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to that neon god they made. And the sun flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming. And the sun set the words of the prophets are written on that subway walls and tenement halls and whispers in the sun. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping left its seats while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone. Beneath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing songs that voices never share. No one there disturbed the sound of silence. Fools say you do not know. Silence like a cancelled road. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words like silent raindrops fall and echoes in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to that neon god they made. And the sun flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming. And the sun said the words of the prophets are written on that subway walls and tenement halls and whispers in the sun. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sounds of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone. Neath the halo of a street lamp, I turn my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people made